yes, look it. Disney Magic Animal Kingdom. No, not Magic Kingdom. Animal Kingdom, huh?
Yeah.
Royal U. Look, 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 look. Take a picture. Look over there. Aunt Mercy. No, see that?
She jumped because she made sure you was the right man outside with the camera.
Yeah, có mong có này kết hợp từ Animal Kingdom. Rồi nó rất entrance ra nữa. Lot of booths here. I don't know how entrance. What the roof? Look. Look at on top. Look, he's hanging. He's just holding like a monkey bar, right? Look at that.
Wait, does that mean that they can actually leave?
Oh, here you go, you go.
Yeah, but how?
No? It seems that that's why the. I don't know.
That's so cool.
You see? What do you see, Anna? What is it? Monkey. Anna, Nicholas?
Monkeys are so
I love monkeys. They're so fascinating to watch.
Oh, you're swimming again. What are they doing?
Why'd you got a rope? You want to help me? Can you help me?
Cho nó là chùa đó. Sao này là chùa. You don't need jacket anymore. You already all wet. I need jacket. Oh, there you go. There she go. In the rain. Yeah, pouring rain again.
Why the whole rain? You're gonna get sick, Anna. You're gonna get sick. You wanna dance? You wanna dance? You wanna twirl? Dance with me.
Anna.
Let's dance in the rain with me. Like that.
Yeah.
Dance.
Like that.
Go ahead, go dance. You like the rain? Go dance.
Your hand. Twirl.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah, princess.
All right. Come on. That's enough the rain. Come here.
It's bigger now.
Enough rain. Come on.
That's enough rain.
Enough rain. Let's go. Come by. Oh, look at lightning. You see lightning? Yeah, light. Come here. Come inside. Oh, yeah. Hey, get inside. There's lightning now. Okay. Chop lah. Luna cho aja ada sekarang. Yeah. Tại sao tại Luna cho aja nè. Anh nào là để chop lah nè. Lúc chơi Luna thì anh nào lúc chơi cái loại gì hả? Người ơi. Anna. No, don't jump. Hey, no. No jumping. Luna tata. Lightning, thunder. No. No. See? Are you scared now? You scared now? Okay, then stop. Then we'll take safari. Go. Hold on, Messi. Step carefully, okay? Hả? Dạ không phải lên mồm nữa.
I know.
Jump!
Once on board, please be seated.
Yeah.
If you're not with the party in front of you, you're on the next truck.
Messi, can I stay over there? Hey, you stay.
All right, everybody, please be seated.
Messi, let's go over here. You stay in the middle, so you're not scared. Come on.
You don't sit. There you go. Thank you.
Come on.
Whoa! I'm crossing.
Okay.
Everybody remain seated now. Asante Sani Warden. Everybody ready to go on your wet 2-week safari site one day?
Whoa!
Well, welcome aboard, everybody. And as I ask everybody, please remain seated at all times. If you have a small child on your lap, the small child must be secured on your lap, please.
No, yeah, Kilimanjaro Safari tour ride, huh? Sit down. You want to stay in front of me, Nicholas? You want to stay in front of me? Okay. Messi, scoot a little bit. Scoot a little bit, Messi. Okay, that's fine. You see anything?
Oh, don't be fooling me now. I'm watching the road for your safety, too. But good call. There may have been one.
Oh.
Sometimes those rocks will fool you.
Oh, it's flooding.
Especially the shadows up in the darkness here, where the animals like to hide.
It's raining.
Sometimes the shadows are just thinking something's there and it's not, but
Lennon.
also the reverse. You'll think you're seeing nothing, but there's an animal there. Especially in the heavy undergrowth.
What do you see? You saw a dinosaur egg?
Oh, they're being very reclusive tonight. So let's continue on safari.
There's nothing.
We're going to head over to the Safi River.
What is it?
The horns that you can see lion.
Is that lion? It looks like lion.
Now this is a male on the right here. He hasn't turned like a purplish
What is that?
color yet. Oh, you can see it in his neck a little bit.
Kangaroo?
And also this one, both being young males. But when they grow
Nicholas,
to maturity, they will be the tallest antelope in the world at over 6 feet high at the shoulder. On our left-hand side, a tower of giraffe.
Ooh, look at
Side
Nicholas.
giraffe.
Nicholas.
The tallest animal in the world at 20 feet high.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, look at that one.
The
And
giraffe,
out there on
huh?
the rise on the right-hand side is what the
Look,
Africans
look.
nicknamed the wild beast, the wildebeest. Looks like no other animal in the entire
Look at
world.
that over there.
It's-
There is more giraffe on the right and a wildebeest for us to look at. Now the giraffe being the tallest animal in the world with keen eyesight, and the fact that they never sleep,
Oh yeah.
they only kind of doze 20 to 30 minutes a day. They're called the sentinels of the savannah. Usually the first ones to give out the alarm on the savannah that a predator is near.
Whoa.
No.
And also because of their height, the calves are born at least 6 feet high at the shoulders.
Wait, I see something.
What do you see?
Andrew monkey.
Monkeys?
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah, there's one of them.
Oh, I can see it.
There's one of them.
Well, we're not going to take this road. Looks like it was washed out in the rain. So we're going to take this other bridge that's been repaired several times. And I talked to the warden this morning and I said, animal alike to survive severe droughts in Africa. And that's why the baobab is the tree of life.
bumpy.
Springbok all by itself there on the right hand side. Very unusual. A beautiful little antelope all by its lonesome. That is the second fastest animal in the entire world. When being pursued by a predator, that little antelope can achieve a speed of almost 15 miles an hour.
Leslie, you like it?
Yeah.
A lot of good trees, huh?
Left-hand side in the den of the outcropping on the left here, spotted hyena.
Oh, hyena. Oh, look at they're sleeping.
Sit down, guys, at all times, thank you.
They're sleeping, look.
Now, the spotted hyena takes a bad rap due to documentaries made by Hollywood USA as being nothing but a low-down scavenger, but I assure you,
He's sleeping
it
under
is
the rock.
a very efficient nocturnal dog. As we get a break from the rain. The rain's in Africa. I think that was a song. As we turn to the right, I had a young man ask me this morning, Richard, is that a volcano? And I says, no, young man, that's a termite mound. It's hollow inside where the termites live. And there's openings at the top and bottom. So when the air inside heats up in the hot sun, hot air goes out the top, just like a chimney. And cold air comes in the bottom to cool the colony down. Elephant.
Oh, they're coming. They're coming.
Elephant.
I know.
Massive elephants.
See?
The male can grow to a weight of 12 to 14,000 pounds. Males will usually stay by themselves. There's a pair here, so that's kind of unusual. Let's see if we can find the rest of the herd.
Elephant.
There was 3. I saw another elephant. There was 3 elephants.
Oh, and holy cattle to the left. Please don't call out.
What is that?
Look at that.
What is that? What is that?
I know.
Ankoli cattle are raised and bred by the Watusi and Maasai tribes,
I know that.
but not for their milk or their meat, but as a sign of wealth and prestige.
I know.
These are
The
cow.
cattle you own,
It's called
the
cow.
wealthier you are and higher in status.
Oh, wow. Oh,
And
oh,
those
it's coming.
huge
It's coming.
horns are actually hollow,
Oh, my goodness.
but
Look at that.
full of thousands
her
of
eyes.
blood veins. So as the animal heats in
Look
the
at
hot
that
sun,
eye.
heats its blood up,
Wow.
blood goes through those horns. There's a closer look at the wild beast, the wildebeest on the right-hand side.
Honey, what's that?
But getting back to the Ankoli,
Yeah.
as the blood heats up and goes through those horns act as radiators in the wind, cooling the blood and cooling the animal down.
That's burned.
Now as we cross this pond, which normally goes dry in a severe drought, it's kind of full today. You look to the left, you can see the massive, that baobab tree. This tree can hold 20,000 gallons of water. It has been used by both mankind and animal during a severe drought in order to survive.
Look at that.
That's why the baobab is called the tree of life.
Flamingo.
Left-hand side, Greater Flamingo Island.
Flamingo.
I think the flamingo are one of the most beautiful birds in the world. That pinkish color comes from a substance called beta-carotene. Beta-carotene makes up the animals they use as their sole source of food, brine shrimp. And you see a couple are standing on one leg there. That's called nesting. They're actually sleeping.
Whoa.
To right.
Oh, yeah, that's
There's a cheetah.
The
He's
fastest animal in the world. There's another one farther. Animal has finally
I know,
discovered
I saw the lion
is
too.
a black animal with white stripes.
Right there, right
And
there.
then the African lion, the largest cat in the
That's a
world.
Lion King right there.
Wow.
mail
Up there,
line.
look, up here. Not there, there, let's see.
Oh yeah, that's a line too.
This particular mail line goes well over 540 pounds.
Whoa, that's big.
That's awesome.
He's usually
Yeah,
sleeping,
that
so
line
this is
is
very unusual. They sleep 16 to 22 hours a day,
They
while the
know.
lionesses there are out hunting.
Oh, look at the female lion right there.
Yeah.
Right there on the rock, on the rock.
They don't have it. Oh, I can. Oh, I can.
No, right there.
The lionesses are, there's their sister there.
They too.
Right.
There's two of them.
They go out nocturnally hunting, while the male lion stays home to protect the pride and his territory.
There's two of them. Look.
Yeah, they too.
Their eyesight during the day is something similar to ours, but at night, it's 6 times greater.
Wow. You like it, Nicholas?
Yeah. I like all the animals.
We are the Avatar River Ride. Ooh, that's a lion.
You watch Avatar before?
Yeah, I know Avatar.
Oh, baby one.
Oh, look at that baby.
Fighting. Female.
Okay, don't look.
What is that? This probably might be my favorite ride. Is there a frog in there or something?
I think those are frogs up there.
Avatar, a lizard, or frog?
Singing. What is that, my G? What is that? Bây giờ chúng tôi ride nó Avatar ride đó nữa.